Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
Attention-grabbing style, lively performance, the impressive fuel economy. Whether you're carrying people or cargo, zipping through city streets, or meandering down country roads, the Ford Edge is truly unstoppable. Choose from 4 models, starting with the SE and moving up to the top-of-the-line Sport. A turbocharged 2-liter EcoBoost inline-4 gives you the acceleration and fuel efficiency you're looking for. A 2.7-liter twin turbocharged EcoBoost V6 delivers a best-in-class 315 horsepower, and a 3.5-liter TI VCT V6 uses variable cam timing to improve power and efficiency. Available intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive steering add to the Edge's already stellar handling and traction characteristics, making for one agile, roadworthy crossover. And with voice-activated sync technology, you can keep your eyes on the road and stay connected. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available, so is navigation and Sirius XM Traffic and Travel Link. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an Edge that's all yours. The Ford Edge, because nothing's more attractive than confidence.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles, and to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.